you are gonna watch this video. Yes, you are gonna watch this video. Hell no, I ain't watching no damn video. No, I'm on VHS. I don't have no VHS recorder. I'm all about high def, man. High def audio, video. Anything that's high def, that's what it is. I ain't watching no damn VHS movie. Hell no, I'm out. No, no, I'm gone, man. Gone. See ya. Bye.
You are watching the 2016 Donniesport Halloween Film Festival.
Well, it's Alfred Hitchcock over again. I'm at the clothing store. Top birds on top of baskets. Birds getting away. Hey, yeah. Let me get out. And birds all in the parking lot. Yes, all you need is Rod Taylor and Tippi Hedren. Look, birds on top of the cart, return sign, and look at that, birds on top in the tree. And you see high top, birds on top of the telephone line. And I want you to look at this. I'm going to get close. Get close. If this is not a scene from an Alfred Hitchcock movie, birds all over the telephone line. Look at that, all the way from Forest Lane out, from Greenville Avenue all the way on down. Damn! Look at that, they're flying all over the place. Yeah, you need a tarpaulin and make sure they don't poop. So there you got it here. Birds on the attack. Birds on the attack. And quietly. There you are. Well, at least the carts will be pooped on. There you go. Oh my gosh! Oh, they're flying. They're purple too. Flying purple. Hey, let it freeze. Hold on for a second. Oh. There you go. Have that. Oh, gee.